Hi, my name is Craig Lloyd and I'm the CEO of the Murrindindi Shire Council. Thanks for tuning in again today for Council's COVID-19 pandemic update for Thursday 26th of March. Unfortunately, since my last update there have been 3 deaths confirmed from coronavirus in Victoria, and the number of cases has also gone up from 466 to 520. We still have no reported cases in Murrindindi Shire, but there are plenty in our surrounding shires. In terms of the changes announced by the state and federal government, there's been no change today other than the removal of the 30-minute restriction on hairdressers, which I think is a decision that has baffled most people. To help reduce the risk of COVID-19 infection in our shire, we've had to stop some services and have changed how we deliver a number of others. I'll run through these closures with you and what they are now. The following council services are currently closed. Customer service centres, including the services we normally host for Vic Roads in Alexandra and Centrelink in Kinglake. Libraries, including the mobile van. Visitor information services and centres. Playgrounds and outdoor gym equipment. Some public toilet facilities are closed, and there's a list available on our website of the ones which are open. And those ones our staff are cleaning every 2 hours. And these are the larger and more frequently used ones. I've received questions as to why our kiosks at the Kinglake office for Centrelink are closed when people clearly need them. The answer is that those kiosks do not allow people to access the specific application that's needed for registering for assistance related to the current support packages. While a number of buildings are closed, we're still providing a range of services right across the community, and these include our customer services, including payments via electronic means or by credit card or over the phone. Libraries with butler service, and I've heard some good feedback on that today. Public health and sanitation services, community safety services are continuing as normal. Curbside waste collection continues as normal, as does our resource and recovery centres, only taking cards though, and the scrap shacks are currently closed. Maternal and child health, family daycare, both of those are continuing to operate normally. We have reassigned some of our existing staff to support our community safety team to make sure that if we lose a few staff to sickness or incapacity along the way, that we're still able to deliver those critical services. To access our services and find out what's available, you can do that 24 hours a day on our website. You can email us at customer@murrindindi.vic.gov.au or give us a call. The Premier has indicated that further restrictions will be announced very soon. They're calling them Stage 3. What that exactly means, no one is quite sure at this stage. So we will, of course, need to review our services each time there are changes to make sure that what we're still doing is still in line with the guidance and the advice. There are a number of restrictions and closures that are being put in place by the state and federal government as well, and the details of all of those are on our website. Announced yesterday was the closure of all campsites, caravan parks and camping grounds, and this follows the ban on non-essential travel. For more information on those closures and the restrictions in force by the state and federal government, please visit our website. We're also looking for expressions of interest for volunteers for essential goods delivery and other things. So during the course of the pandemic, we may be asked by the state government to coordinate assistance to the community members within the Shire. We're not sure yet what this will look like, but it may include things like delivering food or other essential goods to the homes of quarantined or isolated people. If this happens, we may need assistance from volunteers living in our local area, community members. We know a lot of people are very keen to help us during this time, so head on to our website and there you'll find links to the survey where you can register your interest. Unfortunately, people over the age of 65 and those with pre-existing medical conditions are not eligible. We've also added to our website details of mental health services. We know people are needing to access these at this time, so we've put a lot of links up there to all sorts of different organisations that we're able to help you. And you can also help by looking out for your neighbours and friends, and of course doing that by phone, doing that from a distance and keeping your separation there. Also, don't forget you can tune in for updates each morning on UGFM, who have been fantastic in supporting us. And that's every day, 6 days a week, Monday to Saturday at 8:30 and at 9:05 on Wednesdays. That's it for today. Please look after each other. Please stay safe.